What's going on? Ryan Troy back with another video for you today. And it's times like these that I wish I didn't have a YouTube channel, because there's certain tips and tricks that I like to keep to myself. It's not that I don't want you guys to succeed, but sometimes it makes you more valuable when you could do things that other people can't, right? But there's a company called Nitecore. Now, they reached out to me because they wanted to send me a product. I went looking at this company and I saw that they make tactical flashes and things like that that I personally didn't think would have a space on my channel. But they made this one product with photography in mind, and it is a air blower. Right now, I know throughout this summer it's been real hot and we see all of these people with these little fans. If you're thinking about that, don't, because this blows that out the water times 50. Seriously, I'm not joking about that part. But it's 3 reasons why I will recommend this product. And certain products sell themselves. This product is one of those. The first reason why I really love this air blower is because of the size. Now, when we look at this, it is so small, it fits into your pocket. And when you think of how we would usually blow air or blow wind on our subject's hair to get like that movement going, we either bring a big bulky fan, and if you have your own studio and that works for you, then go ahead. I mean, they're probably cheaper than this product is going to be, and this product actually isn't that expensive, but we'll get to that later on down the line in this video. But we either take a fan or a reflector and kind of blow the hair to get, you know, some movement going on. But the thing about blowing the hair, like with the reflector, is that's a workout. Now, I don't know about you. Maybe you're in better shape than me. I'm hitting the gym a little bit, but I just don't want to do that. Now, with this little fan, and I have it right here, with this fan, this is how small it is. Look at that. That is incredible, right? Fits into your camera bag, and it's insane. You have a nice little USB-C to charge it. It has fast charging. Now, with this size, it makes it convenient to do whatever it is that you want to. But let's go ahead on and go into my next reason why I really love this air blower. I was about to call it a flash, but that would be because of the power. Now, when I say this little thing packs a punch, I mean it packs a punch. Like, I had to put this through test. I'm gonna show you the test, and then we're gonna get back to some more specs.
Hair looks okay?
Hair looks fine now.
Good.
For now.
Right, for now.
Yeah. All right, cool. So we are gonna start, and I don't want to be in the way. And this is about how far I am. And I don't. Okay, right there. I'm in the shot. Right here, I'm not. Do you feel anything?
Just a little bit.
Just a little bit?
Yeah.
How does that
Okay, I'm feeling it.
feel? Okay. When it's not blowing, it's blowing now.
It's
How's
blowing.
that?
It's blowing.
Okay. That good?
Yeah. Oh, we're blown away.
Okay. That's. There we go.
Yeah.
Now, what would you say would have been like comfortable? Where it's like this fine?
That feels good. I thought you can go up a little bit more though.
Let me know when you think it's too much. That's max right there. And if we was to come close like that.
It don't feel bad, but with me being a person like with watery eyes.
Right.
It makes my eyes water just a little bit, but I just feel like that depends on the distance of the,
Right. So back here is probably better, right?
That's good.
That's good?
Because it's not too much blowing on your face to where your eyes will water, but it's blowing the hair enough.
Got you.
Yeah, I like that.
Hold on.
Blowing, was it? Maybe we should do one with my hair to the back to see if it blows like, you know.
Yeah, I get it. Yep, that's smart.
Yeah.
All right, so I'll probably actually have to lift it a little bit for that. Like, what do you think? Like that? Probably to the side if you're gonna stand like that. How's that? Or do you think right there? Okay. You good though, right? Which way? Perfect. All right. Yeah, that is perfect. You could blink. So here's the thing about it. When you have this blowing at fully max speed, you'll get about 20 minutes of battery life. And at the minimum speed, you will get 15 hours. Now it has fast charging, so it will charge extremely fast. I wanted to make sure I showed this product on somebody that has hair texture kind of like me. Like I have more coarse of a hair texture than someone else that probably have really thin hair. So as you can see from that last test, if it can blow her hair like that, imagine what it could do to somebody with thinner hair, right? But here's the thing. I wanted to see if not only could it blow hair, but could it blow dresses? Could it blow fabric? Because you know, when we do things like maternity shoots and things like that, we have those that material where we kind of lift it up and, you know, pull it down to give it all of this different volume. I wanted to know if this was going to be powerful enough to go ahead on and blow that. So I did that test as well. So you want to, yep, just like that. It's blowing the hair too? Let me find out.
Oh, no. I wish it was.
Okay. Perfect. Oh. Yeah. Keep that. Do me a favor. So I want you to, your head only. I just want you to look this way. Like, turn and look this way. Yeah, just like that. Perfect. Hold up. Perfect. Nice. And then the look away is like you did before. Perfect. See that? With the wind, it even controls the attitude. You know, we had the flirty going with the wind. No wind is just like, yeah.
With the wind, they should be like it's fierce.
Right.
That's so true.
The wind brought out the fierceness. Now, as you can see, this pretty much passed like every single test that I put it through. I mean, if you can't see how strong this is, I don't know what to tell you. But the price of this, right? This sits at around, I believe, $59 on Amazon. I put a link down in the description so you can check it out for yourself. They actually make another fan product as well, but that takes bigger batteries and it's bigger. It's not fitting in your pocket basically. So I think that this is something that all photographers should have, but if you don't want to, don't worry. I carry this around in my camera bag, no problem at all. But the thing number 3 right here on the reason why I really love this is definitely the versatility, right? When we look at this as far as being a blower for hair, it's so many other things you could do. Now with my PC that I built, it gets really dusty, and I was like, all right, let me put this to the test and see how much I can clean my PC with it. And oh my God, I didn't even know it was that much dust that was in my PC, but it cleaned it up. I did my keyboard. It's so many, like if you want to go in your car with this thing, blow balloons, like there's so many different things that this thing can do for you. So the versatility of this is amazing. So you have these 2 different attachments that you could put on it. One that's kind of thin, which I used on the hair at first because I felt like that would blow it evenly. And one's like a cone shape, a small cone shape. The thing about it is, from the testing, we realized that it does blow way faster with no attachment on it. So basically bare bulb, kind of sort of like this right here, that's when it's going to blow the hardest. Now you have this fan on the back. This is what kind of sucks the air. So if you have that blocked, don't plan on having any air blow out, because it's depending on this part right here in order to blow everything that is blowing. So overall, what are your thoughts when it comes to this product? Is it something that you think you should get? Is it something you're going to pass on? Do you blow hair a lot in the studio or even outside? Like when it's not blowing, do you blow hair? Well, you probably don't, because you don't have a fan or anything, unless you do the reflector thing. If you're doing that, then you probably do. Let me know down in the comment section. But until the next time, I'm Ryan Troy. I'll see you guys later. Peace.